The biggest threat today of AI, if you're looking at the reports and what people are saying and what they're feeling, is that white collar jobs, knowledge workers, right, creative people are getting disrupted by AI models because these are traditionally human domains. A lot of the machine learning that we had earlier was to do with data crunching, basically figuring out patterns in data in very organized data. So it was like numerical. Everything was numbered. Your conversion probability was a ratio, was a number, was a predictive score. And all of those scores were made into these big sparse matrices, which were used on GPUs, and they were trained and they were understanding what's the predictive nature of that. That's machine learning for me from the traditional sense of what we understand. Today, what we all talk as artificial intelligence is basically what AI is doing, which mimics human behavior, right? Which is why the biggest threat today of AI, if you're looking at the reports and what people are saying and what they're feeling, is that white collar jobs, knowledge workers, right, creative people are getting disrupted by AI models because these are traditionally human domains. These are traditionally domains that an average white collar job or even a creative person is doing. So I think machine learning was basically taking this one data scientist in the room and replicating hundreds of them, and this very, very niche kind of a role that was being extended to create this amazing amount of predictive analysis that we have today, from banking to finance to health to today artificial intelligence, which is more generalistic in nature. And that's where I think AI is. So for me, AI is anything and everything that can basically kind of mimic the way in which humans deal with different tasks. And it's nowhere close to how well we can do certain things, but it's very close to doing a lot of things that we would normally be doing also in the day. So it's a bit of a paradox that it's actually really terrible at doing some things, and it's actually pretty good at doing a lot of things.